don't think you can get much more self-isolated than we are here in Honey Harbour. All by myself. Hey, Liz here. Just gonna go check on the bees. Haven't checked on them in probably a month. I know that one hive is dead. So I just want to make sure that they have enough food to get through the next month and don't starve to death. And hopefully we can start shooting some bikini shots so that it gets warmer. So here's how things are looking. That's my dead hive. And these are what I think to be my 4 living hives. These are Handsome Husband's hives. He did like a cozy wrap. I'm gonna dig into this hive a little later, maybe in a month. I know it's goner, it's dead, but just to kind of figure out why and what to do with a dead out hive, so I'll show you that probably end of April-ish when it gets a bit warmer, and I'll probably be using this hive to split any other surviving hives. This is normal, so don't be afraid. Bees only last or live 2 to 4 months. And then what they do is they bring out the dead. I'm just helping them with some work there. Ooh, they're coming out to see me. Hi girls. If you're wondering what that sound is, I'll show you in a minute. This is Gertie sniffing around. She's had her fair share of stingies. She's gonna be 12 in May. She's very sweet, and I would say she's a beekeeper too. Right, Gert? Yeah, she's a good girl. So this hive here is the really aggressive hive that stung me in the lip in the summer, last summer, and I really was just peeking. So if I wanted any hive to die, it would be this one. But the plan is to replace the queen with hopefully not as an aggressive queen, but like they made over 120 pounds of honey. They're really productive, so I don't know. So that's what I used as an insulation. Holy smokes, they are just a poppin'. They are out of food. At least the food I've given them. So, have to decide what to do there. Put some fondant on top of the bee frames in the fall. I put 2 and they're completely gone. Looks like they've really been munching them up. Oh, I'm gonna get stung. They are not happy. Oh my god. Woo. They are not happy at all. I kind of just ripped that off, not even considering anything else. put it back together for now. This is going to be terrifying in a bikini. Just terrifying. Okay. I'm going to have to rethink what to do. I didn't think I'd be that crazy in it. Oh, don't fly into my face. Get on there. Crazy. Okay, so I've put a bunch back at the door. That's all I'm gonna do for now. Gertie. Alright, so I just went to the bathroom. I heard a bee. It was in the armpit of my sweater. Clearly the one that stung me in my boot. But look. It's one on my hat. They're everywhere. Their little paws get stuck in the fabric of my woolly clothes. Okay, so under further investigation, reading the Ontario Beekeeping Manual, it's saying not to open the hives yet in March, so kind of messed up. Back at the hive again. They're still all at the entrance there, but I think they'll be okay. Note to self, don't open hives in March. And that's that. Alright, so this is going to be an interesting series. It might not take off until May or June, but my intent with Bees and Bikinis is to beekeep in a bikini or a bathing suit. And I have a theory that I get stung more wearing clothes, not a bee suit, but wearing clothes, because they get trapped in my clothes. The face stuff, I mean, that's my own fault, but for not wearing a veil, so it would happen either way. But the clothes, like I've been stung in the armpit, they go down my shirt when I'm beekeeping, and they get trapped and then they sting me. Today I got stung twice, went down my boot. You can hear it, and then you panic and you try and get your boot off, and they sting you. So anyway, my hope with this channel is to just show you that bees are not scary. If I can do it in a bikini, you can do it in a bee suit. Because I think that's a lot of issues with people starting out, is they're just a little nervous about it, and what will happen you tell him, Gertie. So what will happen if you're beekeeping? People don't want to get stung. A question I get is, does being stung hurt? Yes, it depends on where. Sometimes I'm like, did I just get stung? But most of the time I don't feel it right away. It's afterwards that it's annoying. My lip was one of the worst. It's a sensitive area. My foot was also really bad. My whole foot swelled up and it was just so itchy. And then I got stung in the hand between the fingers and my whole hand swelled up. So those are some sensitive areas. But I've been stung right up here beside my eye and my neck. And beside my eye didn't do anything. My neck felt itchy on the inside. Yeah, so that's what I'm hoping to show you through this series. I hope you enjoy, that you like, subscribe. I'm going to show you some other things too as a quasi-amateur beekeeper. Right now I have 4 hives. I had 5 going into the winter. 1 has died. My husband has 2. And then I'm hoping I have 2 flow hives that I bought used, so you guys can help me set that up. Anyway, I'm looking forward to this, and I hope you are too. So